Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And you guys wondering why I have a big smile on my face? Well, first, yes, it's my birthday. You soon got it, baby. Oh Lord, he sees, stop it. You guys, today is my birthday. I am officially 29 years young, honey. 29 weird, you mean 16, okay? Babe woke me up early this morning and said that we're going to a market. So I was like, okay, alright, what kind of market is this? He says it's a clothes/food market. We're going shopping. So I said, alright, fine. I was a bit hesitant because it's my birthday. I want to sleep in. So I said, alright. So we got up, got ready and everything, on our way, and then I'm looking on the road and I saw a sign says Italy. I'm like, okay. I look at this one and he started laughing. So we are in Italy. I am officially in Italy. I officially made it to Italy. Oh my god. So I don't really care which city we're going in Italy. All I know is that I finally made it to Italy. Okay, so let's go and enjoy this day. Let's see what other surprise babe have in store for me for the rest of the day, and let's see how my day is gonna turn out. So birthday is officially on its way. Okay, and we're in Italy. All right, so let's go. We are in Italy. We are in Italy. Oh my God, we're in Italy. Italiano. I'm trying to speak Italian, guys. Linda girl, I'm in your country, okay, honey? Oh, babe. Yeah. What's the name of the city again, babe?
Sanremo.
Sanremo. Hey guys, we are here. We're walking up a hill. We're trying to go to this market. We're in a city called Sanremo, and we're just gonna spend the day here and see what this little city has to offer. So let's see how my birthday will go. Okay, but it looks beautiful so far. Yeah. Okay, so I think it's somewhere here in this street. It's a casino right there. I think this is a hotel. Pretty much designed like France, but I think most of Europe looks like this, no?
And remember, you're not. The only thing that's changing straight is like the language. That's just change the border.
Yeah, everything like smells the same.
You see all of the sign in the car. Everything is changing.
Change completely.
Not even double translation.
Yeah, yeah. That's the only difference, but the food smells the same. Well, I guess the only thing we're gonna see more is like pastas and pizzas. This way. Gonna go this way or this way? I don't know too. Ah, messy. So I think we're trying to go to this market. It seemed like a pretty famous market. So but like I said, these little streets and stores and everything pretty much remind me of France. It's pretty much the same, but it's just that you're in a different country. No, babe? No?
Yeah, I'm just enjoying being here.
The market, but there is so much things in the market to see. It's just the same things over and over, I think the most of the way. So we just decided to pause and we're having something to real quick. Wait for mama, stop. Tyler strutting down the streets of Italy. Come baby, this way. Go. Go. Guys, I think we're on the most famous street in this city. It just reminds me of Nice. Everything about here is all France, it's all Nice. I guess it's just a Europe thing. People playing music in the streets, lots of tourists. Look, there's somebody playing guitar right here. Lots of expensive stores too, and some that are not so expensive. Enjoying this day and just chill. This street is really busy, really busy street. You wanna turn now? Hi. You wanna go here now or you wanna go more here?
Stop here at the shadow to look if there's anything.
You guys, we are now approaching the seawall, like the port. Wow. Come baby, come this way. The port looks nice. Wow. So this is the port, guys, right here. You guys, we paused for lunch and I am going to have pasta today. So we paused for lunch real quick and I'm definitely gonna have pasta and I'm sure baby's definitely gonna have pizza. So that way we can try each other's own. We cannot be in Italy and don't eat the two most famous things that Italy is known for, pasta and pizza. So we're going to do that. We'll show you guys what we ordered in just a bit. But this restaurant seems like it's a good spot. So it's time for birthday lunch.
How's your day? Enjoying your day?
Good so far. I know it is a birthday without my favorite drink. So if you guys know me, then you guys know exactly what this is without me even saying. So if you guys know me that much, comment down below and tell me what this is. My birthday is going very good, very good. City is pretty. Breakfast was good. The little walk was good. So let's see if lunch will be on the same path. So let's have lunch. So you guys, this is what birthday lunch is looking like. It's crab and spaghetti. So I hope it tastes as yummy as it looks. Oh my god, this looks so good. This looks so good. No, babe? Babe, it's so good, don't it? Want to know how it tastes? You guys, I'm having crab and pasta. So, let's see. It looks good. So, hopefully it tastes as good. It's very good. Very, very good. Very good. Very good. Tastes good, babe. And baby's having pizza. Babe, what kind of pizza is this? Cheese and ham?
Call it Luna Rossa. So this is cheese and ham, and this side is different. This side is one that before like this.
So what is under it?
I don't know.
Okay.
Surprise,
so
surprise.
ham and cheese and something is under here. That's for
yes.
fries?
Surprise.
Oh, it's a surprise.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Taste and tell me how it is. Tell me if you think I'm gonna like it. That looks so yummy. Oh gosh. That looks yummy. Look at all that cheese. Oh my gosh. It's good. Damn, babe, where did that go? You swallow it already? You swallow it already? Where did that go? You think I'm gonna like it? Tastes good. Tastes good. It tastes good, but I couldn't eat off one pizza for myself. And I know I'm not gonna eat this off, so let go. Food is about to go down. You videoed me all along? Huh?
Enjoying your food?
Proud, feel dead. Dead. I haven't eaten crab since years. I haven't eaten crab. it? It's worth it.
I'm in the video now, you have something to say.
Hey guys, we're at the beach side, just strolling around, looking around, and taking pictures because that's what we do. What do they like to do? Thank you, thank you. Your balloon went away. Tell the balloon went away and somebody can carry it for him. Really? Your balloon went away? Oh. So we just finished having lunch, and lunch was super good. I devoured the crab. I killed the crab. I was in the store like all in with my 2 hands in the crab, okay? But it was worth it. It was good, and that restaurant is awesome. I should have taken some picture and put it on my Google map, but next time. But yeah, we're just strolling around, having fun, and let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Birthday continues. Italy version.
So we're back home. How are you, birthday girl?
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
So when you think about birthday, what do you think about? You think about cake?
It's after 4 p.m. and I haven't gotten no cake. I haven't gotten no birthday sing to me. And I haven't gotten
no birthday what?
Gift sing.
Oh, so the first thing that you have is gonna be a gift. So I get you
Puma.
a little shoes.
Is the shoes that I wanted?
I don't know. I don't think so.
The green one?
No.
Wow. It's pretty. But it looks big, babe.
It's 39, so if it don't,
Thank you, honey.
if it doesn't fit, we can change it.
It looks big. Wow.
You like it?
Wow, yes. Not the one that I was expecting, but I like your choice. Alright.
It's too big or it fits?
It's a little bit big, but it will do.
Okay.
I don't mind it. This bamboo. Alright. Thank you, hello. And it matches my outfit for the day. Can't you guys see that? It's cute. Thank you, honey.
You like it?
Yeah. Look, my cheeks are tired of smiling. Thank you, baby. Mwah. Thank you. I love it. Hey guys, the birthday afternoon is coming to an end, and we had so much to eat today. Both of us weren't hungry, so we just stayed home and chill, and we just went and picked up some food. We went and picked up some Chinese food. No, Japanese food. Yeah. We didn't feel for the Chinese, so we went for the Japanese, and we picked up sushi. We got veggies and a little rice with it, and some assorted different type of meat. I think it's beef, chicken, and some other 2 other which is in there. I'm not sure which one is it, but yeah, this is what dinner is gonna be for babe and I tonight, because we're so full, so it didn't make sense to go out and dine and all that. Would just waste the food, so we decided to just do a little takeout. Tyler is off the bed because we had a long, eventful, wonderful day, and he's really tired. So we're just gonna go ahead and end the vlog. You guys, look at my flowers behind me from mommy. Come babe, let's end the vlog. By the way, I'm going to go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression for today. The Jamaican expression for today is me boss. And the reason why I'm giving you this expression today is because we were at the restaurant eating, and babe says he can't eat anymore. I said to him, babe, your boss. And he was like, your boss? What does that mean?
Take the bus. Like you're stuck.
Right.
Say the bus like
you can't go anymore.
Yeah, you're full.
Say it, me boss.
Me boss?
Yes.
Boss or like bus or like boss?
Like burst.
Okay, reverse.
Yeah. And
Okay.
Jamaicans also use it in a different way. If somebody say, "Remel your boss," they simply mean that things going on for you. Mean you have things going on for you. See what I
Okay,
mean? So
okay.
it can mean two things.
Okay,
My
depends
boss.
the context.
Right.
Okay.
So what's the French word or expression for today?
So because I see all of this food around me, so the French word gonna be restaurant. Restaurant is almost like restaurant, and it means restaurant. So is yeah, that's what coming to my mind right now. So we ate at the restaurant at lunch, and we just pick up some Japanese food at the Japanese restaurant for dinner. So yeah, make sure you get it. Restaurant is restaurant. It's just you're gonna see the spelling a little bit different, but it sounds the same. So if you come in France, you're looking for something to eat, you can ask for a restaurant.
Okay, and you don't say restaurant, you say
No,
restaurant.
restaurant.
Right.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
You don't say the T at the end.
Right, you don't pronounce the T.
No, never.
Alright, you guys, so there you guys have the French word and the Jamaican expression for today. And I know that you guys gonna wish me tons of love and tons of happy birthday down in the comment section. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you, babe, for giving me an awesome surprise trip to Italy. Well appreciated. I had an amazing day, couldn't have been better. Thank you guys for watching. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, join the fam band, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.